Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today we will start our lesson number 12 and the topic is living and non-living things. So let's start with the recap of lesson number 11. Dash are non-living things. Here are different pictures and different options. Plants, animals and chairs. Number 1 is plants. So are these non-living things? No, because they can feel. Number 2, animals. Are these non-living things? No, because they can grow. And the last one, chair. Yes, these are non-living things because they cannot feel, cannot grow, cannot eat, cannot move from one place to another. So chairs are non-living things. Here's another one. Non-living things can grow. No. Can eat. No. Cannot grow. Yes. So the answer is non-living things cannot grow. Sort out man-made and natural non-living things with the help of given pictures. As you can see, here are different pictures. Book. Is it made by Allah or man? Man. So it's man-made. And moon? Yes, it is created by Allah. So it's natural. And star? It is created by Allah. So it's natural. And the bed? It is made by man. So it is man-made. So according to this, the answer is that natural non-living things are moon, star, and the man-made non-living things are books and bed. Difference between living things and non-living thing. Living things, they can eat food, as this girl, she is eating. Non-living things, they cannot eat food, just like a doll. It cannot eat, so it's non-living thing. Living things, number 2, living things can grow like plants. As you can see in this picture, they can grow. So these are living things. Non-living things cannot grow like table. Living things, number 3, they can move from one place to another, just like this boy is moving. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another, just like this car. It cannot move by its own, but a driver needs to move it. The things which cannot move by its own are non-living things, just like fan as well. These are non-living things. Living things need to move themselves. They do not need anyone to move. Number 4, they can breathe, means living things can breathe, just like this girl. And non-living things cannot breathe, just like these books. Number 5, living things can feel, just like human being, they can feel hot and cold as well. And non-living things, they cannot feel, just like chair. When the chair fell down, it does not feel anything. So it is non-living thing. But living things can feel. Here is the sum up of the lesson. Difference between living things and non-living things. Living things can eat, non-living things they cannot eat. Living things can grow, non-living things can not grow. Living things can move from one place to another, non-living things cannot move from one place to another. Living things can breathe, non-living things can not breathe. Living things can feel, but the non-living things can not feel. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. For further work, we will meet at Zoom class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.